What's up, my beautiful people? In this video, we are going to destroy this Arduino board that you can see in front of you. And if you're asking to yourself, why is this man destroying this Arduino board? Or if you're asking to yourself, what am I doing here in this video? Well, wait, let me tell you. I'm not an idiot. And this Arduino board is one of the favorite ones that I had, because this is a board that helped me to win quite a few prizes. So why do I want to destroy this? Well, because I like destroying stuffs. And why should you watch this video? Well, because if you don't know how to hack a computer, you cannot save yours from being hacked. So if you don't know how you can destroy an Arduino, you cannot save your Arduino to get destroyed. And yeah, most of the things that you will be seeing here will be quite common, and you will think that should not be a big thing, and I'll tell you how big can it get. If you have an Arduino board right now with you, keep it aside so that even by mistake you don't do these things. Otherwise, this will be the last time or the last video when your Arduino was alive at. So yeah, good to see you. Hope that your Arduino lives long. Bye bye. Wait, I'm not gone yet. We haven't done yet anything, right? So what is the first thing that you should not do? Well, there is everything soldered onto the board except for one thing. You know what that is? That is a brain. So how will it be if you'll take out the brain of the Arduino board? So I just took out the brain of the Arduino board. Okay, so this is the brain of the Arduino board. This is the chip Atmega 328PU, and this is Arduino board without the pin. Nothing can be done with it right now, so it's pretty useless. I would never suggest you to do this, even though this is not as dangerous. Okay, believe me or not, this is not as dangerous as some of the other things that I'll be telling you. So poking it in, sometimes, like, it's not at all suggested. Don't ever do that. But then, like, if you know how to play with these things, and if you know how to work with them, perfectly fine. I don't have any issues. And you know what, I'm really fond of these sort of processors. So before I can show you something, before we move on, let me just show you a little collection of processors that I had. It's this. These are a bunch of insects that I have kept with me. So yeah, this one is from Atmega 8. This is from Atmega 8. These are Atmega 328 from Arduino Nano, and this is a motor driver. Amazing part, right? So let me just keep these one backs and bring my Arduino onto the screen. Nothing is working. Why? Yeah. Okay, so I was out of power. Okay, fine. Now, right here, how can you destroy it? Well, first thing I said another thing, sorting these things out. So as you can see, this one reboots it to some points, and this one does something. Don't do those. Don't connect these stuffs right there. I mean, the reason why I'm using this metal stuff is because so I can just sort stuffs with it, and you can sort a lot of things with it, right? So don't ever do that. What is the next thing that you would never want to do with your Arduino? This. Don't throw your Arduino off the bed, even if it is not working and or your code is not working. That's the problem of your code, not of the Arduino. So don't throw your Arduino like these or anything like that, okay? So just don't do that. Just to tell you. What else you shouldn't do? Taking water and spilling it on the Arduino board. Very bad thing to do, isn't it? Just see, Arduino doesn't like that at all. I mean, yeah, to some point it might be water resistive, but this thing is never ever rated as any sort of water resistance. So, pretty bad thing, right? But you know what? This is yet not the worst thing that could happen with your Arduino. The worst thing is something that is so simple, and most people are like, I was working at my home. The Arduino was working perfectly fine. I came to my class, I was on my bench, I connected my Arduino and suddenly it stopped working. What the hell happened? And now my Arduino is just gone, it's not working, and this is the only Arduino that I have. And just after 2 hours, the projects are about to start, I need to showcase, and my freaking Arduino has gone wrong. I don't know what the hell just happened. You didn't spoil, that person saw the video till here, went, covered it with something, made it some sort of water resistive, he made sure that he does not take the microcontroller out, made sure that he cannot sort these things, and made sure that he doesn't throw this off even if by mistake. So now what's wrong? Well, this must be the case. Can you just see what is happening? This is aluminium foil. What I'm doing is I'm connecting these things onto an aluminium foil, and this is the worst thing that can happen. And you know why is it so common? Because it is really common to see metal bodies around you, and you're just tempted to keep your Arduino board right on that surface. Just see, just a mere act of touching it just destroys it, right? Totally. So make sure that you either cover it up with something what I usually do is, for now you can see there are some tape marks on the back, right? So what I usually do is I connect it with a double tape on the back with the protection kept on, so that when I want to use it for some project, let's say I don't really I can just remove the cover and then just paste it out somewhere. Or what I can do is that will give me some sort of protection, so that even if by mistake I happen to keep my Arduino on a metal surface, it will be safe. Because just see, this Arduino board is gone now. I don't think I can use it anymore. Yeah, see, these lights are not even blinking properly. So yeah, my Arduino is gone for you. And the reason are these all pins, you are literally sorting all these things out, okay? And for now you're just sorting these, and one more thing, by sorting this you might actually sort out and destroy your wire, so you will not be able to use your wires anymore. You're just sorting everything by just keeping it up here and putting it down. It just destroys an Arduino. Don't ever do that. And the worst part will be to connect all of them, like pouring water onto an Arduino when it is on a metal, and then doing things like just smashing it. So this is actually the worst that can happen, everything at once, as well as you are sorting everything on the board as well. Whew, see, now it's totally gone. Nothing can be done. See, if you remember in the starting, only my green LED was coming on and not the orange one. But now, I mean, just see, it's so freaking strange now. Yeah. So these are some of the precautions that I want you to have. Goodbye, this Arduino. But you don't worry, you need not go. Actually, I can tell you a few things, not now, in the next video, because from the next video onwards, we are going to do something crazy. By what I mean is, we are going to program this freaking Arduino, or rather this board. And since this is not no more working, so I can just add this one to my, yeah, so it's gone. Anyways, I can just keep this one in my collection somewhere, hopefully. I really like this collection, and actually this will be the only one that doesn't work. All of them did used to work at some point of time. I decided to take them off. Whew. So yeah, that's it for this video. Hope to see you in the next one. Bye bye.